Hi Jap, here's the battery bank that holds the four AA cells, and I've printed this. You can see that these parts slide into these grooves here and here, so if I put it in like that, it works. The reason the 3D print doesn't run to the end is just to save on filament, and so that's how it would look from the end. And then if we look at a Gertie, I'll take this out just a minute. So you can see you'd have a roughly square hole, and it would go in like that, and it would still leave enough space for this to still work. And that's the side view, so you see it goes in like that, and then the panel would be here behind these tabs, and then you've got enough room to grip this inner part and bring it out to change the batteries. So I think that should work pretty well. So I'll send you the STL for this, but you can see the hole needs to be kind of square with the corners cut off.